Hey everybody, and welcome back to Diva Style. So in this video, I just wanted to go over something that I recently bought, which is this embossing, embossing folder. When I first seen it, it's supposed to be able to just imprint on images, and immediately when I seen it, I was like, I could use this to imprint the texture on like earrings. So I want to test it to see if it will actually emboss like this leather. I think it would look so good on this leather. So I'm going to try running it through my my SIZZIX. Yo, I still don't really know how this goes, but the pattern is like, let me put this paper up to it. Can y'all see the pattern? No, not really, but it's like a you know what, the picture is right here. Bam. But I had got this was like really cheap. I think this was like $4, $3-4 bucks. So if this works, like, this is going to be an amazing tool to just go ahead and use. So I'm, you know what, it's nowhere in particular that I really want to put these things. I'm just going to place these. I'm just going to place these things in here because, like I said, I don't know if this work or not. So I'm just going to place them in there, fold it up. And y'all, I've never embossed a thing in my life. So, because it's something I've never done, guess what? Let's go back to this sheet and see what this says. Do it even say how to emboss? No, not that. Here we go. We got to go to this. Okay, so what does it say do? Okay, it says put this big thing on there. Okay, so put this on here. Then it says do a clear mat. Then it says put this on here. Okay, now my thing's all crooked. Now I don't want them crooked. Y'all, I'm so nervous. I don't know how this is gonna come out. Okay, then it says put this on, and then put this back on top. And then let's go ahead and roll this thing out. I always feel like he's about to break it. Jesus. The struggle is real. Okay. Alright, let me move this thing out the way. Move, SIZZIX, move. Shoot, we trying to see something here. Okay. Alright, y'all, I'm so nervous. Oh my God, it's stuck. Oh my Jesus, you got... Nope, it didn't print it on this side. Now, it did go... Can y'all see that? Now, it did go on that side, but y'all, there is nothing on this side. So, I'm a bit disappointed right now, but you know what? That's fine. Let me figure out something else that I can use because I'm going to make these earrings. Hold on. Alright, so we're going to try it again. Right here, I just have some foam sheets. I'm going to put these foam sheets in here. You guys, I'm a little disappointed that the leather did not work. That was my whole intention, but you know what? It's fine. It's fine. I'm not even upset. Not even upset. Like I said, this thing was, what, $3? Alright. Trying to place it on specific. What the heck pattern? I got it on right there. Okay. Trying to kind of get the same pattern on both. Alright, let's close this thing up. Let's see what it's looking like. Let's see. God dang it. Alright. Move out the way, SIZZIX. Oh God. A broke handle. Okay. Oops. Oh well, I'll get it later. Okay. Oh my gosh, you guys, now these are, look at that. Look at that, y'all. Beautiful. Y'all, look at that. Okay. Okay, I can work with this. You know what? I can definitely work with this. I can work with that. Now that's fine. I'm cool. I'm cool. As long as it embossed something, guess what? It did what it was supposed to do. It did what it was supposed to do. Let me go ahead and get my supplies.